Hello. In today's video, we'll talk about customizing email templates. To do this, select Email Templates. Here you can configure all possible letters that the system sends, and by subject or description we can understand what this email is about. Let's say your reservation is confirmed as sent to the client, when a reservation has been made, to confirm its availability. The same message, for example, is for a restaurant, stating that a new reservation has been created. You can change the email template for each language. For your guest's language, the email will be selected based on the language set in WordPress configuration, or the selected language on the page. Emails that are sent to the restaurant will be in the language that is configured on the settings. Let's see one of the templates in more detail. When you open it, you will see a mini HTML editor. Here, like a Word file, you can edit the text. For example, you can change the text size or color. You can change any text, then an updated version will be sent. Email has special fields called tags, that are replaced in the actual email with data, such as reservation number, place name, reservation start time, and so on. Unnecessary tags can be removed. Some do not like to indicate the end time of the reservation, and it can be removed. The system will continue to work. Below the HTML editor, you can see hints for which tags are supported. They may differ depending on the letter. There are also recommendations on what could be inserted into the email in addition, which is not available by default. For example, here you can insert a link to cancel the reservation. You can also change email content and styles in advanced mode. The email consists of HTML, and in this editor, it can be changed visually, but if you click on this button, Source will open, and then you can change it as source. This requires knowledge of HTML structure and styles. If some features are missing in this editor, then you can copy the entire HTML text, and find some other editor. For example, this one. In principle, anything that allows editing HTML will do. Since editing takes place using HTML, you can add a restaurant logo to the template. Just copy the photo and paste it into your email. However, modern email clients like to hide the pictures embedded in it. Therefore, it is better to link to a separate page. Once you've made some changes, send a test email to see how the email will look in practice. When you have changed all the desired items, you will need to click on the Save button. If editing failed, and something broke, it makes sense to return to the original settings by clicking on the Revert Default button. Another feature that I would like to talk about is Sync Template to All Places. This is useful if you have several restaurants, then one template will be copied to all places. The next reservation template has these lines. They are repeated and are a template, so it is important to leave this format. Let's also look at this in source. These marks should remain, otherwise the program code will not be able to find the template, and will not be able to insert all cancelled reservations. Now let's see how to add a reservation cancellation to an email. Let's start by writing a simple text. If you want to cancel your reservation, please click on the link below. Next, copy the link below, but change it to your website. In our case, to plugin.reservationddiary.eu/reservation1. Go to the source editor and look for a place where to paste this. Next, enter HTML block similar to what is shown in video. Let's check what it looks like on the editor. Now let's create a test reservation. As you can see, we received a confirmation email with a new look, and below is the newly added link to the booking cancellation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below this video, or contact us directly. Subscribe to our channel. We are releasing tutorials that will help you understand how the plugin works and use it more effectively.